Hi YouTube, this is a video on iOS 5.1 tethered jailbreak. I'm using redsnow and it does not support iPhone 4S or iPad 2 and 3. Okay, so the first step of jailbreaking, you're going to go down and click on iTunes. Once it opens on up, you're going to want to go ahead and plug your iDevice in, and then you're going to want to click sync. Let it sync. As you see, it's syncing, backing up. Now you're ready for step 2. Alright, for step 2, you should have downloaded redsnow for Mac or Windows in the description. I'll also display them on the screen right now. And so we're just going to open it up. You download 5 packages in that folder. At the very bottom, just click and open redsnow, click run. And then there's 2 buttons, says extras and jailbreak. Jailbreak and install Cydia, click the jailbreak button, and extras just gets the just boot. So in the jailbreak section it says iPhone 4S and iPad 2 are not supported, and it says entering DFU mode must be turned off and plugged in. So, as I said before, this is a tethered jailbreak, which means after you pass this step and actually do the jailbreak part, you have to go back and just boot it. If you don't just boot it, there will be a white Cydia icon and the Safari and Mail will not open. Every time that your phone dies or powers off, you have to reboot it using redsnow. Okay, now for step 3, you're going to want to turn off your iDevice and make sure it is plugged in. Then, once it's plugged in, you'll see the next sign. You're now allowed to click it, and it will click. So get ready to put it into DFU mode, and that is when you hold the sleep button first. So I'm going to click it, and while I'm getting ready to click it, I'm getting ready to hold down the sleep button. Holding down the sleep button, 3 seconds. Now I'm holding down the sleep and home button for 10 seconds. And then I'm going to hold down the home button for 15 seconds. Once that is done, it will load, as you will see. It's loading right now. It's uploading for a stage, waiting for reboot. Now the screen is on. Now the screen is going to pop up. It's going to say install Cydia, install custom bundle, or enable multitasking gestures. And I'm just going to click on install Cydia because that's all we need. And then just wait for the reboot. And then all these words are going to come by in a little bit. And then a running pineapple is going to show up and it's going to start to load. And after that, it will load, it will reboot, and then you will have to just boot using redsnow. Now you're done and you can just let it go and load, and I will come back when it is finished. Alright, so it is finished loading, and now it is just rebooting after I did the jailbreaking process. Now I'm gonna slide down lock here. A little fail, but it's okay. And you see Cydia is white. I'm gonna click on it and it doesn't open, and Safari will not open. So now you have to go back and just boot in extras. Alright, sorry for the bad quality, but you're gonna want to go back into redsnow. Open up redsnow. Make sure you close it after you did the jailbreaking part, because sometimes it doesn't work if you didn't close it. You're going to go extras and then click just boot, and you can't really see, but it says next. Click the next button, and then you're just going to go through the process of how you did the jailbreak. 3 seconds, and 10 seconds, and then 15 seconds. Okay, and it's just loading, and I'm going to skip forward until when the iPad is done loading. Okay, now the iPad is done, and it is done the just boot mode, and now it has Cydia working. I'm just open up Cydia here. Notice it opens, it works perfectly fine. Click user. Okay. And then on the bottom, it's going to say Cydia 5.1, just to prove to you that I'm on a 5.1 device. You can't see it. Oh, here, I'll go and do settings and show you. Sorry, I thought I had the gestures features. Alright, so I'm just going to go to settings, general, about, scroll down, and 5.1. Version 5.1, you can see it there. If you mess up at any time, you'll get this screen, and you can get scared. You can be like, uh-oh, what do I do? Did I break it? I messed up. You're just going to plug it in to your computer. Then you're going to go open iTunes, or it will most likely automatically open. And then you're just going to click, it says, iTunes has detected an iPad in recovery mode. You must restore this iPad before it can be used with iTunes. So you're just going to click OK. Then you're going to click restore. And then restore and update. And then it'll restore, and you can restore it back up. And yes. And just saying, this did not happen. Like, I meant to do this just for video purposes. So try not to do this when you're actually jailbreaking.